So every few years a tool comes along and it completely changes the game. And now is one of those moments, because for the first time ever you can launch an entire high-performing outreach campaign using just one prompt. And in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how easy it is without mastering complex tools like Clay or N8N, or have a bunch of outreach tools just to create one campaign. And the problem today is that cold outreach is broken. You waste hours on manually searching Google Maps, copying emails, and then send messages that never get replies. And why is this? It's because 1, generic templates go straight into spam, and 2, info emails never get opened or responded to. That's why most businesses never break through, even though their prospects are right there on Google Maps. In fact, Google Maps has currently over 250 million business listings worldwide. And the best part is that those leads are much less targeted than sources like LinkedIn or Apollo. So they're just there waiting for you. And what if we can use this source and build entire outreach campaigns with just one prompt? And this is why I wanted to meet NotiQ, our Google Maps AI outreach agent. And this is the simplest ways for businesses to find, target, and connect with decision makers on Google Maps. In seconds, you just describe the campaign like email restaurant owners in New York. You just write this sentence, hit enter, and in an instant you will have a complete outreach system that's going to find real decision makers, no info emails, write personalized emails using ChatGPT 5, and then send everything on autopilot 24/7. Okay, so before jumping into a short demo, I just want to talk a little bit about how this works. So the first step here is that we're going to find decision makers. So we scrape local businesses in your niche and target cities, then filter to only personal emails like firstname@gmail.com or name@company.com. And why do we do this? Because these convert far better than generic ones, giving you higher open and reply rates. So I actually asked GPT the best emails to target when you're doing cold outreach for local businesses. And here you can see the result. And this is the reason why we filter out and target only name@gmail.com or name@companyname.com. The second step here, the approach is super important, as we know, in all cold outreach campaigns. So here we use Google Maps reviews with ChatGPT 5 to craft unique, hyper-relevant emails for each prospect. This improves deliverability, avoids spam filters, and gets you more replies than generic templates. So we actually go to their Google Maps reviews, and then we take one of the reviews and use that as an icebreaker inside of our emails. And last step, of course, is fully automated outreach campaigns. From scraping leads to sending personalized, unique emails, your outreach agent works 24/7 on autopilot. You just set your niche and a city, it handles research, writing, and sending for you. So now, instead of having a tool that sends, that writes, that scrapes, that searches and filters, you have everything in one single tool. So now let's jump into the demo. Okay, so this is how it looks like when you are logged into NotiQ's dashboard, and it's super simple to navigate. So here in the dashboard you have shortcuts to start your campaign, to your campaigns, and then accounts and templates. And in the left bar you have all of your different options. So here you have the main dashboard, the campaigns, templates that you can create here, your accounts, and that is to say your Gmail inboxes connected to NotiQ. And under plans you can manage your subscription and top up your credits. So this is how easy it is to start a new campaign. So all you have to do is to start a campaign, and you're gonna connect your new inbox here, and here you're going to be directed to the account that you want to connect to NotiQ. So here we're going to choose the right inbox that you want to connect, and what we're doing here is that we're using Unipile for the sending part. So here you're just gonna choose continue, and that's how easy it is to connect your Gmail to NotiQ. And so now you have the Gmail account right here. So we go to dashboard, we start a new campaign, and here all you have to do is to input your search. So now I'm just going to use a very targeted niche. in order for us to use in our example. So dentist in Soho, London. And basically what I'm doing here is that I'm going to Google Maps, I'm inputting dentist in Soho, London. We're going to scrape all of these leads right here. And then we're also going to find the decision maker and their emails in order for us to send our campaign. So we're going to filter out all of the info emails and all of the emails that we're not going to get any replies from. So going back here, you just enter your prompt and then hit enter, and in a couple of minutes we will have all of the leads ready for us. So here you're going to be able to follow all of the agent's process. Here you can see that we can follow the process that the agent is working for us, and here are the different steps that we are walking through right now. And while we are letting the agent work for us, we're going to go to templates, and here we're going to create our template. So here we're going to just click that button, we're going to give the template a name, and then we're going to put our pitch right here, and let's just pretend that we are a Facebook ads company that helps local businesses with visibility. And we're going to then have two options here. Either you write your own email template using a bunch of different variables. And if you find it too much work to write your own email template, you can also use this option where we're going to use ChatGPT 5 to write the emails for us. So all you have to do here is to insert a prompt. So if you click on this one, we have an example for you. And then we're using the last review as a conversation starter. Include your pitch, which is the pitch that we have right here. And this is how we're going to keep the deliverability high and the spam rate low, because the email providers won't be able to see that we are automating those emails, because all of the emails are going to look different. And once we set all of this information, we're just going to save this template. And now we're going to go back to our agent to see how it's doing. So here we're just going to view the progress to see where we're at. And as you can see, we have been connecting to Google Maps, found potential leads, we added them successfully to the campaign, extracting email addresses. So far we are 60% done, and as you can see under campaign here, have found 287 leads and counting. And once the agent is done, we're going to go to the sending part. Okay, so now the agent is done and we are ready to send the email. So let's go and check the leads. So we're going to click view leads. And here you can see all of the 427 leads we have in total, and the emails here that we found, you can see that we have to the decision maker, and it's the name at company name. And I'm very pleased with this search because we're going to reach out to people who actually are going to reply to us. And you can also see that we have their LinkedIn and also their website. Here we can also go see the other information that we have. You can also delete the ones that you don't want to reach out to, and we can also see their business listing on Google Maps. So here, for instance, we have this listing right here, and we also have the reviews that we're going to use inside of our emails. So now let's go back to campaigns, and we're going to choose a template. So now we're going to choose the template that we created, and here we can now just start sending. So here we're going to get a pop-up. Are you sure you want to start sending emails for this campaign? Yes. And now we're gonna start sending, and here you can pause your campaign if you would like. And the campaign is now active, and we're going to send 20 emails a day following the schedule that you input in the template. And this is mind-blowing to me, because each time I needed to create a campaign like this, I needed at least 5 different tools for scraping, sending, writing emails, filtering, etc. But now you have everything in one tool. So it doesn't matter if you want to reach restaurant owners in New York, solar panel installers in Sydney, or beauty salon CEOs in Paris. All you have to do is to type it in, one button, and it's done. Campaigns that usually took weeks are now launched in minutes, and agencies are already using NotiQ to unlock new clients every month. And why wouldn't they, when they get replies like this and get 5 times higher reply rates than traditional cold outreach? And for the pricing, we really wanted to make it super attractive for you. So plan starts at $59 a month for 500 personalized emails. So this includes the scraping, AI writing, and sending. So no extra tools are needed. You have everything in one place. So now you're wondering why you would need this. And it's because NotiQ is combining the simplicity of a single prompt with the powerful level of personalization. So you will save time because everything is automated, and you will make money because you will get replies on your emails. This is high quality outreach at scale without the hard work. And today, the businesses that wins are the businesses that automate smarter. I really hope to see you inside, and if you have any questions or any feedback, please write to us in our chat. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.